Hi everyone. Are you seeking the pinnacle of precision and performance within the 2023 Acura TLX Type S lineup? Then look no further than the new 2023 Acura TLX Type S PMC edition. Acura is creating 50 hand-assembled TLX Type S PMC editions finished in Gotham Gray matte paint, the signature color of the performance brand's NSX Type S supercar. Under the hood is a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 that produces 355 horsepower, 480 Nm of torque, and is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds and has a top speed of over 165 miles per hour. Outside, exterior design elements unique to TLX Type S PMC edition include Berlina black paint for the door handles and part of the lower side sill garnish. Also, NSX-inspired Y-spoke 20-inch lightweight wheels are finished in Berlina black, while a gloss carbon fiber decklid lip spoiler, carbon fiber rear diffuser, lower side sill garnish, and black chrome quad exhaust finishers complete the more aggressive look. Inside, the TLX Type S PMC edition is further distinguished by carbon fiber interior trim panels, illuminated side sills, and premium floor mats with Type S badges in colored accent binding. A striking red Milano leather interior is contrasted with black stitching and ultra-suede inserts. The lower console is accented with an individually numbered serial plaque to designate the 2023 TLX Type S PMC edition as a limited edition vehicle, one of 50, handcrafted at the Performance Manufacturing Center. Mirroring the production of 50 Gotham Gray NSX Type S models built for the United States market, the 50 handcrafted high-performance sedans will enter production next month at the company's Performance Manufacturing Center in Ohio and arrive at select dealers this spring priced at $65,000. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us. Super thanks, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.